Hello everybody and welcome to Crazy Craft World. Okay, anyway. Oh, I just broke my torch. Right. Okay. So in this video we're just... Okay, you asked me that I didn't have armor. I found out the one next to that one, I don't know what one it is, don't judge me. Anyway, I found out we can make armor. So guys, you can see like, oh, that's not better than diamond, but sometimes it shows that, but it just can't show the rest. But I am protected, I have more health, I have, wait, by 14, I got 2 more hearts, and look, that's just on me. About that. I did not mean to do that, I am sorry. Let's see, I'm kind of dual wielding. Kirito be like, anyway. I don't really want to keep this. I know I have to, but I really don't want to lose that one. So I have a shield. I'm just gonna keep with me. I don't want to use it because I'm not always. Still, I'm gonna deposit all my stuff and possibly make a new chest. Because this game is so crazy. Get it? I need so much chests and everything. I'm just going to cut this tree to make a little chest. So I don't really like collecting wood in Minecraft. I know like it's the main thing that you need to build stuff. Also, see that? Yeah. Creeper blew that right here. It's very close. It almost blew up the plane, funny enough. But, okay, now, do I have any of that other coloured wood left? Please, please. That's sad. That. Wait, no, I have a sapling. I remember planting this. I remember there's a sapling. I could plant this. Yeah. Plant this. I'm gonna get all my bones. Some bone meal. Oh, nice. 12. Okay, can I bone? Okay. I don't mind the eagle outside, they can kill me. There's also a moth as well. I'm not really good at this. Just please don't go to my... Oh, please don't come in, because I think... So, a lot of stuff like you click, like little things. Right click on it, you go to a different dimension. When you die in that dimension, you stay in that dimension. That's nice. Or if you want to stay in a random dimension with no house and then find out other ant, that's pretty challenging. So I have to put my kryptonite. So I'll make all these. This is not what God. It's like the average powerful weapons that everybody stacks on is just like double damage. You get bow. I don't know, you can make a kryptonite bow. Somewhere, not a lot of room where it can actually climb. So like that's pretty far away, so it should just work first time. You can just stay there now. No, don't try to kill me. I don't do a lot of damage, but if you get like for instance, those that fake block, where you like don't just have like an iron sword and then yeah, you can't really. This is my only food source. It's absolutely brilliant. And we're just gonna visit places. Look, pirate ship have pretty good loot, so I'm just gonna transform into something like it. But I had the attack squids that formed the Kraken. One of the it's like the weakest like powerful boss. There's like 5 powerful bosses, and that's the weakest out of all of them. There's 500 life. You can one-shot with Big Bertha, but it spawns like 10 of them. You don't really want to attack Squid, but I do get these for Big Bertha, so at some point I do need to kill one. I never want to kill one. Oh, blazes. Then I'm just going to quickly... Okay, I'm going to do this tactically. I want to find somewhere where I can break spawners. But not get hit. There we go. Oh, this is just genius. They're still there, but this is just genius. And I can still get the loot. Ah, this is genius. I swear there's one in here. It's in the chest. It's not very efficient using that. Oh. Oh. I saved my life. Oh. Boat's gonna catch on fire. Please don't. Boat. No. Oh, I can't. Oh, poo. No! You imbecile. I know you're dying by the water, but you don't kill something that's keeping you... Okay. You can't touch water, okay? And you're on a boat. And if you make that sink... Yeah. Yeah, I'm... Sorry. Lovely. Oh. Oh. Oh, water. I'm hoping this side has loot. Usually they have loot. Don't have loot. Oh my god. Oh, skeleton. Rather plop that up there. Just to try to kill me. Then I am quite sorry, everyone. Why did you bully me like this? Come on. Oh, stop. Well. This is a pretty good, nice place to end a video, but it's not really a place anymore. It's broken shit. It's nice. I'll see you all later in the next video. Bye. Oh, never mind. Bye.